Hey, go for it, dude. Hey, Tommy, you're being a very ugly cat. You're doing it. I'll do it there to get C. Tommy, it'll be okay but if you got it in her and you do it, don't do it on my recliner, okay? You can't get her pregnant because you don't have no testicles. So she's scratching like, I don't know why she's enjoying it. I guess it's because you're biting her on the neck. Right? I guess, maybe. Yeah. What are you trying to do? Flip her over on her back? She ain't like a human woman. That's a cat woman. See? Tommy? Tommy? You can't do it. See? She's getting pissed off, too. She's not getting the wiener. Go over and get that broom handle or something, dude. Dildo her. Whatever. Okay. Good luck. Crazy cats.